Hare Krishna. Two madmen were with a doctor in the Lakshmi Mental Hospital. One madman is watching the other madman. Doctor comes with a old 10 rupee note and a shining 5 rupee coin. He puts both of them on the table. Before he's telling you can take any one, this first madman jumps and snatches the 5 rupee coin and puts it in pocket. And doctor takes away the 10 rupee note and goes out. Even though this man is mad, the madman who is observing this got irritated. He asked the first madman, "Don't you know?" Seriously he asked, "Don't you know that 10 rupees is more than 5 rupee coin?" Then the other madman, when you take this conversation, it looks as if they both are normal. Other madman says, "I know it very well that 10 rupees is more than double of 5 rupee coin. I know that." Then you will ask, why am I jumping and taking a 5 rupee coin first? He says, if I take the 10 rupee note on any day, from that day, the doctor will stop playing this game with me. Now he is doing this to check whether I have become cured or not. When I jump and take 5 rupee coin, he is happy that, one is happy he is saving money, other one is he checked that I am not cured still. So he keeps me in the hospital itself. Now that way, so far I have saved 500 rupees. Do you know? That is the crux of the whole thing. Now, like the madman had two paths, 5 rupee or 10 rupee, Krishna talks about two paths in this sloka, 8th chapter, 27th sloka.
नैते श्रुति पार्थ जानन् योगी मुह्यति कश्चन तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु योगयुक्तो भवार्जुन.
Krishna says, Arjuna, the devotees who know these two paths, whatever we have described so far, are never bewildered. Therefore, he always is fixed in devotion. Let us briefly say what are the two paths. Krishna has been telling about passing out of the world in the darkness or in light period or in 6 months when sun travels north. Like that he is talked about different timings and different results. It even says you have to take your breath up and all those things. And how you go. So, a man normally does not know how to go in the night, how to go in the darkness period, how to go in the moonlight period. He does not know anything. That is, first of all, the time of death is not known to us. We have no way of knowing it. And all these methods, are they in our control? If we want to wait till, we are not Bhishma Pitamaha. We have to wait for Uttarayana. Is it possible for us? Bhishma Pitamaha had a Vardhan, it's a boon, that he will know he can fix up his own death. That is given by his father. No, we are not having that boon. So he waited up to Uttarayan and then he left the world. Is it possible for us? So what is not possible, let us forget. It is not important for us. Really, it's not important for people who are in religious devotion, religious practice. And this is applicable for those who are not in the religious practice. and they are not in the Krishna's mood and mode. Now, Krishna knows the past, present, and future of all of us. But he will not inform us, nor he will interfere. He will simply watch. This is not his method to interfere, inform, and correct us when we are at the job. Yes, when we surrender and give him fully our mind, then he may do it. But in the normal course, he does not do that. He knows anyway that we are all acting as per the dictates of Maya. Hare Krishna.